The work of Synthetic Landscape Lab is unique, I think, in combining research that is speculative in nature with innovation that can have a real impact in the world and in tackling some of the challenges that we're facing as a society. So in that sense, I think the combination of design-driven research, scientific thinking and innovation really sets this lab apart.
In the Synthetic Landscape Lab, we explore protocols to design the urban sphere, or what we may call the urbanization of the non-human. It is timely in the Anthropocene more than ever before to search for non-anthropocentric mode of reasoning and consequently also of designing. Our team has therefore been pursuing architecture as a research-based practice, exploring the interdependence of digital and biological intelligence in design by working directly with non-human living organisms.
The research focuses on the diagrammatic capacity of these microorganisms in the process of growing and becoming part of complex biodigital architectures. A key remit is training architects' sensibility and recognizing patterns of reasoning across discipline, materialities, and technological regimes, thus expanding the practice repertoire of aesthetic quality. Ubiquitous computing enables us to decipher the biosphere anthropogenic dimension, what we have named the urban sphere. Machinic perspective unveils a new post-anthropocentric reality, where the impact of artificial systems on the natural biosphere is indeed global, but their agents is no longer entirely human.
Simultaneously with the collapse of biodiversity, we see the strong potential for an explosion of new species taking form through robotics, synthetic biology, and artificial intelligence. This enables a complex physiological platform along which inorganic technological and ecological agencies are symmetrical and whose symbiosis is no longer metaphorical or narrative, but indeed performative. Interaction of these heterogeneous systems forms an ecosystem we live in. Aesthetic here is intended as a meta-language, enabling a more sophisticated level of communication with the non-human. Design apparatus is scaled down to the microspectrum of synthetic particles and bacteria, programming our relationship with the environment from the scale of the material organization, information exchanges, and flows of energy. New generation of design objects is no longer limited to assemblages of discrete parts with homogeneous properties or continuous material fields. Rather, like organs, design objects can be biosynthetically programmed and fabricated to form materially heterogeneous systems with complex functionality, morphology, and intelligence. These color and material domains unveil the missing links to redefine the contemporary urban metabolism. Landscape appears as a complex biomachinic organism. Contemporary cities are expanded to synthetic ecosystems. The architect is no longer a designer of discrete objects, matter, and space, but a designer of an ecosystem with complex, multi-layered relationships.